Amritsar, which has really been recently been declared as holy city by the Punjab government, has been struggling to keep its street clean. Today, Chalo Amritsar, a citizen initiative led by 11 women, is conducting a walk from Hallgate to the Partition Museum, making a plea to its citizens and to the government to come together and clean up city's mess. They say this isn't a walk, it's a journey of Amritsar Sahib, its history and spirituality. Chalo Amritsar is focused on keeping the city clean and forcing the government to implement a plastic ban and to resolve the issue of Bhaktawala dump before the city celebrates its 450th Foundation Day in 2027. We have here Indu Arora. She's the president of Voice of Amritsar. It's a prominent non-profit that works with community engagement on the specific issue of environmental deterioration of Amritsar. Indu ji, how significant are these community movements for Amritsar?
Well, good morning to everybody. And it's very important. Living in Amritsar itself is a blessing. You know, you're very blessed to be living in a city of Guru Ramdas ji ne jis found kita. और ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਨਾ ਗੰਦਾ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ and it is not only the administration, it is the individual capacity ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੰਦ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਦੁਕਾਨ ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਡਰਾਈਵ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਲਾਸਟਿਕ ਬੋਟਲਸ ਔਰ ਰੈਪਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੁੱਟ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਹੈ it is our city, our pride, it should be our responsibility and people need to wake up today, otherwise what we leave behind for our children to come, generations to come, is going to be a pathetic thing. You know, greenery is totally finished. 33% forest cover is required in Punjab, whereas today it is only 2 to 3%. Garbage is accumulating by heaps. Bhaktawala dump, Fatehpur dump, everywhere. Airport Road also you go, slip lanes are full of this thing, Ranjit Avenue. Why? We need a proper solid waste management, plant here. The garbage should be zero, to the zero level. So why are we taking so much time? In 27, we have Amritsar Sthapna Divas, Amritsar Foundation Day in June. Guru Ramdas ji established this, created this city with so much of, professional establishments, green, clean Amritsar, and we have not been able to take this forward. It's a shame for all of us. We need to work today to commemorate the 27th Amritsar Sthapna Divas. Let's all join together. Chalo Amritsar is a good mission. We will keep on repeating this until we feel that the people of Amritsar have been sensitized. Thank you so much.
So we are a group of women who had started this initiative because we saw this dismal state of sanitation and garbage strewn everywhere around Amritsar. And so it's very hurtful because this is a sacred town made by the Gurus, and especially Bibi Pani ji. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ effort ਸੀਗਾ. She was the person who gave her land also. So seeing that, and also the Bhaktawala landfill, which is only 1500 meters away from Darbar Sahib, and the toxic fumes from there, the gases released, is causing corrosion on the gold patra. So there is we don't see SUP ban, we don't see EPR implementation, that is extended producer responsibility, and a group of women who took this initiative. We are women from all over Punjab who have come. I've come from Chandigarh. So and this is our rest. We have so many of us.
Ma'am, how do you think what could be the solution? Community engagement या government accountability, ये किस तरह से आप इसका solution देखते हैं?
So it's a two-way responsibility. मतलब ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਇਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਰਕਲ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਕੂੜਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਚੱਕਣ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਹੋਵੇ ਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਕੂੜਾ ਨਾ ਸੁੱਟ ਦੇਣ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਸਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉੱਤੋਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਦੀ ਨਗਰੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਇਹ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਪਾਸਿਓਂ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟਿਵ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਪਲੱਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਭਗਤਾਂਵਾਲਾ ਵਾਲਾ ਡੰਪ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਨਾ ਸੀਰੀਅਸ ਲਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਬਾਕੀ ਸੂਬਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਖਾਸ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਉਹ ਪੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਲੈਵਲ ਵਧੇਗਾ ਤੇ ਇਹੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਗੈਸਿਸ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਹਰਮੰਦਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਸੋਨਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਕਿ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਡੇ ਬਾਏ ਡੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਟੂ ਵੇ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟਿਵ ਹੈ।
ਮੈਮ ਥੋੜਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਫੋਰਨਰ ਸੀਗਾ, ਉਹ ਆ ਕੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਦੀ ਗਲੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਫ਼ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਹੀ ਸੈਡ ਦੈਟ ਦ ਸਿਟੀ ਇਜ਼ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ, ਬਟ ਥੋੜਾ ਸਫਾਈ ਤੇ ਕੂੜੇ ਦਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ, ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਇਟਸ ਗੋਇੰ ਟੂ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਗਿਵ ਅ ਬੈਡ ਇੰਪੈਕਟ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਔਨ ਟੂਰਿਜ਼ਮ।
Exactly. That's what we were saying. It's a citizens' responsibility, equal responsibility, just like the government. And besides this, we are requesting the administration to enforce the ban on single-use plastics, which was put in place in 2016, but it has not been implemented strictly so far. So we want, these plastics are choking our drains, and plastic is choking the drains, and it is having so much bad effect on health, the general health of the public. So it should be totally banned, and it should be strictly enforced. And also third agenda is like on 450th year celebration, the city which was of lakes and greens, so we should have 450 बगीचे लगाओ इत्थे, जिथे जिथे जगह मिले 450 बगीचे लाओ, 450 साल ताई मनाया जा सकता।
So how many women
has already declined actually, tourism has already declined. Can you see any foreigner here? Otherwise, when we were small, there were lot many people, foreigners, they were coming, and Golden Temple was always the hub for the foreigners. They really wanted to see the temple made of gold. So nowadays you cannot, even we are standing here, see there is a stingy smell and everything is there. So we don't want this thing, because this is our sacred place, and it's not of any religion, it's all unitely, and we should be magnesium for this thing, like we should always be together for this thing.